Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, and today, we're diving into life-changing stuff. Forget radioactive spiders, the secret to incredible abilities might be in your fridge. We're talking about leveling up your existence with food. We're uncovering 5 mind-blowing vegetables that pack a nutritional punch, making you feel like you can conquer the world. This isn't your grandma's Eat Your Greens lecture, it's the ultimate guide to becoming a superhero, one bite at a time. By the end of this video, you'll be racing to the grocery store ready to build your veggie-powered arsenal. Let's get into it. This is going to be epic. Kicking off our list is the legendary spinach. This leafy green is an energy powerhouse, giving you unstoppable energy. Spinach is packed with iron, fueling your body by creating hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to every cell. More oxygen means more power and stamina. It's like upgrading your body's engine from a scooter to a rocket ship. Fun fact: Popeye wasn't just making it up. Spinach boosts vitality and endurance. Spinach is also loaded with vitamin K for strong bones, vitamin A for sharp vision, and vitamin C for your immune system. Toss it in a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or sauté it with garlic. It's versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal. If you want to feel like an energy titan ready to conquer your day, spinach is your go-to vegetable. Start eating spinach and watch your energy levels soar. Next up is the mighty carrot. This orange champion gives you the superpower of super sight. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for eye health. Vitamin A helps protect your eyes and improves your ability to see in low-light conditions. Fun fact: during World War II, the British Royal Air Force spread the myth about carrots and night vision to hide radar technology. Carrots are also packed with antioxidants and fiber, boosting your overall health. Better vision can improve many aspects of your life, from driving at night to spotting that last slice of pizza. Enjoy carrots as sticks, shredded in salads, or as juice. They're versatile and tasty. To unlock enhanced vision, make carrots your new best friend. Start munching on these orange wonders and see the world with new clarity. It's like getting a natural upgrade for your eyes. Number 3 is the green guardian, broccoli. This vegetable grants you an invincible immune system. Broccoli is overflowing with vitamin C, essential for producing white blood cells that fight off infections. Fun fact: broccoli contains more vitamin C than an orange. It's an unexpected hero in the vitamin C world. Beyond vitamin C, broccoli has sulforaphane, studied for its anti-cancer properties and detoxification support. It's like having an internal maintenance crew working 24/7 to keep you in optimal condition. Steam it, roast it, or sneak it into stir-fries. Broccoli is exciting and tasty. To build an impenetrable immune system, broccoli is your champion. Incorporate these little green trees into your meals and become a bastion of health. It's more than just a vegetable, it's your shield against illness. Feel fantastic and fighting fit every single day. Number 4 is the versatile sweet potato. This super tuber grants you a bulletproof digestive system and sustained energy. Sweet potatoes are loaded with fiber, both soluble and insoluble. A dream team for your gut. Soluble fiber stabilizes blood sugar, while insoluble fiber keeps digestion smooth. Sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants, especially beta-carotene, boosting your immune system. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption and a stronger defense against illness. Complex carbohydrates provide a slow, steady release of energy, unlike sugary snacks. Sweet potatoes are versatile and delicious. Bake them, mash them, or turn them into fries. To optimize digestion and maintain energy levels, sweet potatoes are a must-have. They offer a wealth of benefits in a delicious package. Start adding these orange powerhouses to your plate and feel the difference. Finally, we have the king of greens, kale. This leafy legend offers overall invigoration and peak nutritional status. Kale is a natural multivitamin packed with essential nutrients like vitamin A, K, C, and more. Fun fact: kale has more calcium per calorie than milk. It's a plant-based calcium punch. Kale is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, offering anti-inflammatory and heart health benefits. Eating kale is like giving your body an army of tiny protectors. Some find kale tough, but massage it with olive oil, blend it into smoothies, or bake it into chips. To experience true nourishment, make kale a staple in your diet. Embrace the power of kale and unlock a new level of vitality. It's about transforming your health with one of nature's most potent offerings. Kale is the ultimate superfood for a reason. And there you have it, the top 5 vegetables that can give you superpowers. From energizing spinach to vision-enhancing carrots, immune-boosting broccoli, gut-friendly sweet potatoes, and nutrient-packed kale, these veggies are game changers. Incorporating these power-packed vegetables into your diet can make a massive difference in your health. I challenge you to pick one and add it to your meals this week. Comment below on your veggie adventures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, stay super, and I'll see you in the next video.